go.
What? What am I doing?
Loading up rockets.
Oh.
Loading rockets.
You only get 4 shots.
Don't, turn right, shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
I did shoot him.
No, you didn't.
You tried.
You're shooting off to the left.
I'm looking at that.
Don't look at that.
Look at that!
I know, it's hard to look at that thing when that thing is there.
Look at the circle.
Circle.
Circle. Oh,
Concentrate.
shoot the blue! Shoot the blue! Up, shoot the blue!
Backwards.
Kind of random.
Look
shooting.
up! Look up! Look up! Oh. That's why I do pyro, because pyro's better. Shoot the blue!
Oh, wrong guy.
To the ground!
Go hide.
Look at the circle. Put it on the.
Sorry.
You want the
You
circle?
can't shoot your own guys.
Yeah, you want the circle on the blue guys. See where the circle is? There you go. Oh, no.
Wasn't that?
No, I think what you need is the grenade launcher guy.
You want to do that one?
I think that you need something that she can shoot a bunch of stuff and kind of just randomly throw things out there.